Good morning, my dear children. Today we are moving to part 5 of chapter 11 Indian Judiciary. Today we will be discussing two topics, that is subordinate courts and district judge, the qualifications for the district judge, which are the different subordinate courts which we are having, and that type of things we will be discussing today. As you have seen in this picture, this is Vadodara District Court. Let's begin. Page number 90, District Judge. The appointment and promotion of any individual to the post of a district judge is done by the governor of the respective state in consultation with the High Court of that state. Who appoints the district judge? Governor of the state, and he will be consulting it with the High Court of that state. So if a district judge is appointed in Vadodara, then the governor of Gujarat will be appointing it with the help of the Gujarat High Court. The Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court and Governor of Gujarat will decide who will become the district judge of Vadodara and other districts. Okay. What are the qualifications for a person to become a district judge? First of all, he should be a citizen of India. First thing, a person appointed as a judge should, first of all, he should be an Indian citizen. Second point, should possess a practice as an advocate for at least 7 years and officer in the judiciary of either the state or the central government. That too is an eligible for the district judge. First, he should be citizen of India. Second, he should get a practice of at least 7 years in any court and officer in judiciary of either state or central government. That is a plus point for him. All the other judges other than the district judge are appointed by the governor or the High Court in consultation with the State Public Service Commission, PSC, State PSC, in accordance with the rules framed by the Constitution. डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज के अलावा बहुत सारा जजेस है, सो वो सब अपॉइंट करने के लिए गवर्नर विल बी कंसल्टिंग विद द हाई कोर्ट, गवर्नर और द हाई कोर्ट विल बी कंसल्टिंग इट. सो आइदर गवर्नर और हाई कोर्ट, that is judge of the high court, and with the state public service commission and according to the rules and regulations framed in our constitution. The judges who handles the civil suits is called district judge, and the judges who handle the criminal cases is called sessions judge. See, in the chart which I have showed you in the previous class, and that same thing I have copied here. So that there civil district criminal civil court and sessions court. So there the judges, see the district judge and the cases coming, the judges who handles the civil cases is called a district judge, and the judges who handles the criminal cases is called a sessions court. Now what do you mean by civil suits or civil cases? See, civil cases means, for example, murder, theft, drunken driving, or assault. These all are examples for civil cases. Criminal cases deals with the behavior that is that can be constructed as an offense against the public, society or the state. So a civil cases will come in front of the district judge and criminal cases will come in front of the sessions judge. District court hear the petition challenging the judgments of the lower courts under it. This picture, this chart already I have shared with you. Again I am putting so that you will get an idea about the subordinate courts. Okay, so for that I have given this again. All the civil cases which of rupees 1 lakh or more, either by the government or against the government, are carried out in the district civil court. The judge of the district court has the power to run the cases of marriage, divorce, alimony, reforms and cases of paternal custody. Paternal custody means father's custody rights, that is paternal custody means father can still get full custody of his children. In a divorce case, that is called paternal custody. The criminal courts include session court, first class judicial magistrate court, second class judicial magistrate court, mamlatdar and executive magistrate court. As I told you, sessions court means a court of session in the highest criminal court in a district, and the court of first instances for trying serious offences, that is those carrying punishments of imprisonment or more than 7 years life imprisonment or death, etc., that is coming under the sessions court. Now next one is first class judicial magistrate court, that is the second lowest level of criminal court structure in India in a district level. Okay, second class judicial magistrate court, it is according to the section 11 of the criminal procedure code of a court of judicial magistrate of second class may be established by the state government in consultation with the high court of the respective state at such places in the district and in any number of notifications. Then comes the mamlatar, that is the officer in charge of a taluk, and the executive magistrate court. Okay, so these are the criminal courts include, which are the criminal courts, which are the different types of criminal courts, that is session court, then first class judicial magistrate court, second class judicial magistrate court, mamlatar and executive magistrate court. Now these courts have a power to give punishment of imprisonment ranging from 3 to 10 years and a penalty up to rupees 5,000 or more. In case of a murder, the court can give a capital punishment, lifetime imprisonment and self-sentence. Apart from these, in a district there are small cause court and family court too. For the case pertaining to land revenue, there is a revenue court, and for disputes of labours, there is labor court along with the tribunals. As per example, a tribunal for compensating vehicle accidents for the protection of service and other rights of the teachers and professors, there is a Gujarat Educational Organization Service Tribunal, and tribunal for recovering debts for the protection of the consumer's right. There is another court called Consumer Rights Protection Forum. This you will study in detail in 10th standard about the consumer court. The tribunal functions like a court and helps the cases wherein the petitioners recover their losses and receive compensation. Last, in each district there is a fast track court with an objective to run a case faster. This we have discussed in the previous video about fast speed solve करने के लिए fast track court. Then for hearing the cases of POTA, there are POTA courts in Gujarat. All these Gujarat mein nahi hai, not only in Gujarat but also in every place in India we are having pota courts. All these courts have gathered importance by decentralizing their administration and function independently, firmly and lawfully. People have started taking all the benefits and have become aware. So, with this we come to the end of this section, today's section. Tomorrow you will be discussing about Lok Adalat and independence of judiciary. With this section we will come to the end of today's sections. Hope you are following me. We will continue the topic tomorrow. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye.